Water is pouring into a cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 60 liters per minute. If the volume of the reservoir is 108 meter cube, then we have to find out the number of hours it will take to fill this reservoir. Now let's begin the solution. Given the volume of the reservoir is 108 meter cube. Now let us convert this into liters, which is equal to 108 multiplied by 1000 liters. Now this is because since 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. Therefore, we get here 1,08,000 liters. Now, in the problem it is given that water is pouring into the reservoir at the rate of 60 liters per minute. Now, let us write that. Now, we know the volume of the reservoir and we know the rate of the pouring of water into it, that is 60 liters per minute. Now, let us find how many minutes it will take to fill this reservoir of capacity, that is of volume 1,08,000 liters, which is equal to, now we write here number of minutes it will take to fill the reservoir is equal to the volume, that is 1,08,000 liters upon the rate is given as 60 liters. Now on simplification we get 1,800 minutes. We write here 1,800 minutes. Now let us convert this into hours, which is equal to 1800 upon 60. Now since we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now on cancellation here we get 30, which is equal to 30 hours. Therefore we finally write that it will take 30 hours to fill the reservoir. So this is the end of the solution.